Morning, guys. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Leena, Lokesh, Sweta, and Jyoti Swaroop. Am I audible? Right. Okay. So, did you guys had a look at the content that is uploaded in Moodle for Unit One? Good morning to the to those joinees. Just was asking about if you had a chance to look at the content for Unit One in Moodle. No, not yet. Give me an answer. I said interactive sessions. You can't just sit and type. You'll have to open your mouth and talk, every one of you. So I'm asking everyone, Sweta, Lokesh, Likita, Jyoti Swaroop, Kalaivani, and Maniganda Prabhu. I want you to respond every time I ask a question, please. That's a request. So did you have a chance to look at the content? Yes or no? Or about others? Lokesh, are you there? Which means Maniganda Prabhu is the only person with the attendance today? What about Jyoti Swaroop? The line எனக்கு தெரியாது. No network problem, nothing. You had enough time to solve all the network problems and open your mouth and talk. I'm making it very clear. If you don't talk to me during class, the type பண்றவங்கலாம், sorry, I have no, reason to accept that as a, you know, problem. You had enough time. You have to talk. No chatting with me here. This is soft skill. We have to chat. I mean, we have to talk, right? So please talk to me. Likita, yeah, exactly. Lakshmi Priya, open your mouth. When I ask a question, please respond. I'm asking you, did you have a chance to look at the Moodle content for Unit 1, R1? No, that's okay. I'm just asking a yes or no question. Give me an yes or no. That's it. I'm not going to, be mad because I've clearly mentioned it is time from Monday to Saturday. Anytime you can look at it. I'm absolutely okay with it. I just need an answer. Kalaivani, what happened to you? Kalaivani, Leena, Shweta Kumar. Yes. Yeah, respond to me. Did you guys have a chance to look at the content? Okay. What did you find out? Did you go through the quiz also? Okay. See, yes, Shweta, you've done now. Not yet. Shweta Kumar, have you finished it? No? Okay. Okay. Lena, okay. Thank you. Thank you for responding. See, that's okay. You have time till Saturday afternoon. So you can log into Moodle anytime between Monday and Saturday every week. Log into the content and then attend the quiz, whatever activity that is part of that particular content. Okay, as of now, the content for unit 1 and only for R1, right, is kept open for the class. So go through that content. There is a video, I think more than one video under our own, each of the videos, and then also attend the quiz. That's all you'll have to do. Once that is done, we will provide you with an assignment. Okay, you'll have to, we will give you another 4 or 5 days for you to submit that assignment. So you'll have to upload it on time. Okay, so that is my request. Okay, thank you. But before that, did you guys have a did you guys take a look at the list of the students that I provided just now, few minutes back in our WhatsApp group? Right. Did you guys find anybody who's not part of the WhatsApp group? If if so, please ensure they get the WhatsApp link and they join the group, because look at it, the count of students right now is just 8 in this meet, and also the list of members in the WhatsApp group is around 8 or 9. Okay, so this is the second class that we are having. Before the third class, we need everyone. I think 16 are there. So the remaining 8 or 9, 8 or 7 should join in the next 3 to 4 days. Help me, please. I am trying my best from my end. I'm trying to forward it to all the departments, but then there are still people who are missing. Okay, let me just read the list here. Okay, Divya Darshini is there? No, no, right? Okay, see, which department has the register number, the last 5 digits, right? For ECE, it's 6,000, right? 6,000 something. Sorry, 60,000 something. 6005 6079. That Yeah. So when it comes to that digits, there are 2 digits. I mean, two students with five as the starting number. Which department is it? Triple E or what? 50065301. Any idea which department they are part of? Okay. Then we have, okay, only that. Otherwise, everybody else is ECE, I think. So, okay, let me just read out the ECE members here. Uh, 6005. You have 6079. Not here. Kalaivani. All right. Lakshmi Priya. Leena. Likita. Manikanda Prabhu. Jyoti Swarup. I think he has a mic problem. Okay. Snega. She's not here. Sai Yoganand. Not here. Sri Priya. Not here. Sujita Sri. Not here. Sweta. Right. Tarun Giri. Divya Darshini is not here. Yeah. Roshan. Not here. So the those who are present for today's class is Mr. Lokesh, Ms. Kalaivani, Ms. Lakshmi Priya, Ms. Leena, Ms. Likita, Mr. Manikanda Prabhu, Ms. Jyoti, Mr. Jyoti Sarup. Can you hear me at least? That's a problem. And Ms. Sweta, right? So these are the students who are present for today's class. So I humbly request and request for help from all of you to find out who the others are, and then try and reach out to them and ask them to join our WhatsApp group in the next 2 3 days, please. Please take this as a humble request from me, and then help me out, because we don't want to lose out on attendance because they don't know the WhatsApp group. Okay, so please help. I have posted a message in the um, Cameo messaging as well. The chat link, WhatsApp link, I've posted it there as well. But I'm not sure if they're seeing the messages there. So please help me. Yeah, will you guys help me here? Right, right. So that's a humble request from me. So out of the 16, only 8 are here. Okay. So we are on Thursday today. We have another couple of days for you guys to look at the content um, and upload it. So from next week, yeah, I don't have to assign you anything in terms of the content. By Monday, the content for next week, that is next Thursday's class, will be open from Monday till Saturday. So you on your time, anytime between these 5 or 6 days, you can log into Moodle for our subject or course, and then go through the content, attend the quiz before Saturday. So what happens if you don't do it? So அதுதான் main question இங்க. Then the attendance will be revoked. Whatever attendance that I have already given you will be revoked if it is not uploaded or if it is not submitted on time. So on the don't take that risk. So that's what the management has advised us to do. Okay. So please ensure you're here for the class on time, as well as upload the requisite assignments and attend the quiz and look at the videos and any other contents if there is any before the completion of that stipulated time. Am I clear? Right. Okay. We'll do something. Once you have a look at it, you will have some doubts. Doubt illana, you didn't have a good look at the content in Artham. So please come up with doubts. I will be happy to address whatever clarifications that you have. Okay, sir. எப்ப சார் நான் உங்களுக்கு கேக்குறது? We will have our class only next Thursday. அது வரைக்கும் வெயிட் பண்ணணுமா அப்படின்னா we don't have to wait. Okay, you can post your doubts in the group. இல்ல குரூப்ல கேக்குறதுக்கு எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு because it sounds very silly. இந்த இது கூட தெரியாதான்னு யாராவது நினைச்சிருவாங்கன்ற அளவுக்கு நீங்க ஃபீல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you can post it to me also. But then it's up to you. Group message or individual message, that's not a problem here. The problem is you coming up with clarifications. Unless otherwise we do that, இந்த செமஸ்டர் ஒர்த்தே இல்லாம போயிடும். லீனா, கேக்குதா? Right. So I'm talking to everyone here, right? So please ensure your doubts are asked immediately. என்ன ஆகும்னா, நீங்க ஒரு content பாக்குறீங்கன்னா, you would have realized by now. ஒரு content பாக்குறீங்கன்னா, there will be lot of clarifications and doubts that you would want to be addressed இல்லையா? ஆனா அது ஒரு 1 hour 2 hour கேப் விட்டீங்கனாலே அந்த அந்த டவுட்ஸ் எல்லாம் மறந்துரும். என்ன டவுட்னு ஞாபகம் இருக்காது. So அதனால சொல்றேன், whenever there is a doubt or clarification for you, please post it in the group. I will respond immediately. Okay, within the day. சரியா? I promise you that. ஆனா எதுவுமே இல்லாம நீங்க ஒரு சைடு உங்க வேலையை பார்த்துட்டு போயிட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா நான் தேவையே இல்லை, மூடுலயே உங்க ஃபேக்கல்ட்டியா இருந்துக்கலாம். புரியுதா? Hope you understand that. So I'm making my point very clear. Moodle is a major content delivery for this semester. ஆனா doesn't mean the faculty need not be used or utilized. Please ask your doubts, clarifications then and there. You don't have to wait for the class. இல்ல சார், நான் வந்து ஒரு ஃபார்மேட் வச்சிருக்கேன், நான் I'll write my doubts and then I'll ask that in the class அப்படின்னா that is also fine. But then I know that is not going to happen. நம்ம மறந்துருவோம். So please ensure your doubts are asked immediately so that I can respond immediately. Okay, right. So now that the content is assigned to you for this week, you have only 2 more days. It hardly takes 10-15 minutes அந்த கண்டென்ட்டை நீங்க பார்த்து முடிக்கிறதுக்கு 20 minutes ஆகும், ரைட்? ஸோ அது பார்த்துட்டு நீங்க குவிஸ் அட்டன் பண்றதுக்கு மேபி ஒரு மேக்ஸிமம் ஒரு 5 to 10 minutes ஆகலாம், அவ்வளவுதான் ஆகும் ஆக்சுவலா பாத்தீங்கன்னா. ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் யூட்டிலைஸ் தட் half an hour to 40 minutes இன் கம்ப்ளீட் குட் ஃபெய்த். அப்படின்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்னா அதை ஒழுங்கா ஆம், வேற எந்த டிஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன்ஸும் இல்லாம அதுல கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணி அந்த இது பண்ணுங்க. Go through the content and attend the quiz. Okay. So if there is anything else, I will update you. And please ask doubts. If there is nothing else, you can leave. And மறந்துடாதீங்க, I have asked for your help for others to join in the group. So அது மறந்துடாதீங்க, please. Okay. If there is nothing else, you can leave. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.